Is it really possible to earn from drawing? Is it really worth quitting your job for art? I am going to answer these questions in this video. Before that, let me introduce myself. Hi, this is Lavanya Siddeshwar. I am a pencil drawing artist. I do realistic portrait drawings. I have quit my regular job last year, October 2021, to pursue my dream career as a full-time artist. It has been already 7 months now. So I am earning quite consistently from past few months. I have been receiving lots of questions from you guys asking how much I earn. That is why I have decided to make this video. What I earn might be very little for somebody who is working in regular jobs. This could be huge for someone who are beginning in their arts career. I have made this video just to make you understand what are the difficulties, challenges, and what are the opportunities available in this field, so that you can make a better decision whether you have to pursue drawing as a career or not. Nowadays there are many different income streams available for artists. I have adopted 3 main income streams from past few months. Before getting into the numbers, I would like to share what are the different income streams from which I get to earn some consistent income and how I made them possible. Mainly I have adopted 3 income streams this year. Here I will share you all the 3 income streams and how much I earned from specific income stream. I will start from the least to the best. My least contributor of the income stream is working as a part-time drawing tutor in some academy. Yes, I have worked as a part-time drawing tutor from past 6 months. I got to earn 20% of the income by being a part-time drawing tutor. See, this income will not be fixed every month. Because I work as a part-time, they will pay me according to the number of classes they assign me in a month. This varies every month. My earning has ranged between 2000 to 10,000 rupees as a part-time drawing tutor. I got an opportunity to work as a part-time drawing tutor in some academy. After seeing my drawings in Instagram, they had approached me to work as a part-time drawing tutor there. Here I didn't have to search for students. They used to assign me some students. There will be fixed curriculum, so I will teach that curriculum to their students. So it is quite easy when you are starting because you don't have to market yourself. They are bringing the students to you, and you don't have to prepare the syllabus also because there is already syllabus with them. You just have to teach what are the topics they have decided. Even though I get to earn some good amount of money from this income stream, but there is a disadvantage that you will not have any direct contact with the students except in the classes. You don't get their phone number, you don't get their email ID. Even if they are having any doubts, if they want to speak with you, that is not possible because that academy doesn't want to disclose your contacts to the students. In this way, you will not have any strong connection between you and your students. And also once they finish their course, they cannot have any kind of contact with. So this is the major disadvantage being a part-time drawing tutor. Eventually I consider quitting this once I start earning more from other income streams. My second income stream is doing commissioned artworks. Doing commissioned artworks means here you do customized artwork for your clients. Because I have good reach and following in my Instagram, I used to get all my clients from Instagram itself. Especially I am into portrait drawing. There is a major advantage there. People would love to get their loved ones' photos as a portrait drawing art. I do customize a portrait drawing for them and I get to earn from it. So doing commissioned artworks has contributed to the 30% of the income every month. By doing commissioned art, I get to earn 7,000 to 10,000 rupees every month. Even this varies depending on how many orders you have in a month. Even though I get lot of commissioned artwork requests, I don't accept all of them because this is too much time consuming. Because I do realistic portrait drawings, they take anywhere between 30 to 50 hours, sometimes even more than that. I have to work a lot to earn some little amount of money. That is why I don't do so much commissioned artwork. Once you get famous, you can start increasing the prices as per the demand. That time you may get to earn little more money than what you are earning right now. If you are a beginner, even you can try doing commission works. Third one is my favorite and best kind of income stream is conducting online workshops. Because I am good at portrait drawing, I do teach realistic portrait drawings as well as colored pencil portrait drawings. Here I will have two kind of online classes, which is a general workshop kind of format, and also I'll have some one-on-one students also. Teaching online is really best option if you are having a certain amount of skills. But you yourself is a beginner. If you are not so good at some skills, then you may not adopt this kind of income streams. First you have to work on developing your drawing skills. Once you are good at, you can start teaching. Why I said this is the best means this has contributed to the 50% of my income. If you are having more students in your workshops, then easily you get to earn quite a lot compared to doing commissioned works or working as a part-time drawing tutor. But again, it also has some difficulties. You have to prepare your own course curriculum. So this is really challenging if you are starting out, and you have to speak to the students. You need to explain them what you are going to teach. Only after that students will be interested to join your courses. By conducting online drawing workshops, I have earned between 8,000 to 15,000 rupees every month. So these three were the major income streams for me in the first 6 months of me being a full-time artist. Being a full-time artist, you may not get to earn same amount every month. It varies depending on the circumstances. Including all these three income streams, I got to earn anywhere between 25 to 35,000 every month. During the exam seasons and all, I used to have less number of students, so I used to earn less money during February and March. If you are someone who wants to be a full-time artist, then my suggestion is do not depend on any one or two kind of income streams. You will have to develop multiple income streams, then only you can sustain in this field. If you have decided to be a full-time artist, if you are already working somewhere, do not quit your regular job immediately. First you start working on building up the more income streams here. Once you have at least 2 to 3 income streams, then only you quit your job. Yes, if I have to continue as a full-time artist, I still need to increase my income streams. That is why I am working on recorded drawing courses. Also, I am working on my YouTube channel. Yes, I have not started earning from this YouTube channel yet, but at least I am sharing my information with my audience. I am happy for that. Hopefully my channel will also get monetized very soon. I do post lot of content in Instagram. I share lot of tips and tutorials. Even there I don't have any brand partnerships till now. I am really hoping for some kind of monetization in Instagram also in coming days. One good thing is I started earning by using Moj app. If you want to know more about this, please comment below. I will make video about it. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel so that you will not miss any of these kind of important videos. If you want to know what are the 5 different income streams for artists in detail, then check the video I have added in the end card.